So we're here at my favorite Japanese market in Vancouver with the twins. We just bought a ton. A booty market. Girls, are you ready to grub? We came here to the beach because Kira really wants to go to the beach and Mia wants to do a little photo shoot with her iPhone. And I didn't realize
We can stay over there.
at closing time, here at a booty market, 20% off. That's right.
Hey, go over there.
I went kind of crazy. You want to go sit over there and eat?
Yeah.
A booty market, North Vancouver. It's a little bit out of the way, but it's totally worth it. And guess what? At 6 p.m. when they close, 20% off sushi. It is peaceful here. There's sand in your shoes. Hey, that's what happens. One of the reasons we're here is because Kira insisted on having sand. Real sand, not just rocks, because here we don't have a lot of sandy beaches. She's very happy right now. This is what she wanted, to be on the beach. Like I mentioned, we got a lot, and you see all those 20% off stickers? We took advantage. So I'm gonna eat the vegetables first. I got some miso marinated eggplant and some spinach salad or gomae. Eggplant salad with cucumbers. Wow. Judy would love this. I love Asian eggplant dishes. It's my favorite. Spinach salad, gomae. Definitely my favorite way to eat spinach. Oh my gosh. A5 wagyu onigiri. 20% off. Of course, they got that special 1, 2, 3 step. Come on, get it off. Okay, you're right. What's the whole point of that? There you go.
Just wanted it to make it look like the one in Japan.
I've never had A5 wagyu onigiri before.
A5 wagyu.
Go on, try it.
No, I'm okay. Look at my salmon, Daddy. I'm excited to go to the beach.
Thing about onigiri, why this is not very common in Japan, or at least when I was growing up it wasn't. Onigiri is just something you brought to the beach or picnic. Oftentimes you eat it with no flavor, just like salt on the rice and then the seaweed. The filling was just definitely never a steak. Correct me if I'm wrong if you're Japanese. 20, 30 years ago, basic. Maybe some pickled plum, umeboshi, and maybe the tuna, canned tuna, and then okaka is like fish flakes mixed with soy sauce.
We had that in
Those are the 3 core ones. A5 wagyu, damn. They had the fancy water. I thought I'd try. From Alberta, Hilden Natural Mineral Water. Okay, that's good. Okay, next up, pork katsu, deep fried pork cutlet. Yeah, you want some? And there's 3 of them. Perfect. Here.
Wait.
Now the only thing that would make this better is some sauce. These birds are watching us right now. They're waiting for us to make a mistake with this food. Pork katsu. Oh my gosh. I miss Japan so much that anytime I can go to a Japanese restaurant, Japanese supermarket, I always do, because it's nostalgic for me. It's comforting to be able to eat the food that we have in Tokyo or that I grew up with. This is unusual. Now, not the food itself, but how they cooked it. So this is gyoza. I don't know this for sure, but most Japanese people, most Japanese restaurants cook gyoza by pan frying it. This is deep fried. Yeah, see, even she knows. Look at this. Yeah. I don't know why they deep fried this. Maybe it's just easier to cook that way.
Easier to keep in a package.
Easier to keep in a package, she says.
It's way better.
But I'm not complaining. You know why?
So
Bomb.
good.
I just got 2 of these, huh? Bomb.
Wait.
Chicken karaage. I don't know why they call it chicken karaage. I always assumed karaage just assumed chicken, but maybe they're clarifying. This is Japan's version of deep fried chicken. Cool thing about Japanese fried chicken is they marinate it beforehand, so it's already got a lot of flavor. And then they bread it and they deep fry it, and it's delicious. Soy sauce, garlic, maybe ginger sometimes. That's crunchy. Almost always small bite-sized pieces. Because of the marinade, oftentimes does stay really juicy and tender. This is at the end of the day, but man, 20% off? I'm here for it. I'm here for the deal. This with a little spinach on. So healthy for you. Bomb.
Right behind you.
What? Uh-oh. Get away.
Oh,
It's my food. Yeah, exactly. See? That's what I'm saying. He was waiting. Okay. This is something they do with sushi here in Vancouver at a few different restaurants. But they make these rectangle-shaped ones. I never seen it in Japan. But yeah, here at the booty market, they also do that too. So this is an assortment, and I'm gonna grub on this too. This will probably be the last thing I eat. Wait, I have one more salad. I did go a little crazy. See these two guys? Trying to get my food.
Daddy, cut the culprit.
Good.
It's now wanted.
It's wanted? Okay, let's post that up, okay?
See that photo?
Well, you can't post that. They didn't do anything yet.
So they say wanted for looking at food.
Mm-hmm.
That photo. Perfect.
So what's interesting about this too, not only the shape, they take a butane torch or something like that, and they flame the top, and it gives it cooked flavor to it. It's literally cooking the top, but it's still raw underneath. This is not that authentic in terms of its like Japanese-ness, but I love all sushi. Even California rolls. Even ones with jalapeno on it. Oh my god. That little kick through all of that fattiness, that flavor. Definitely not authentic Japanese, but it's called a California roll for a reason. Oh. Imitation crab, avocado. 45 degrees right now. It's cold. My fingers are freezing. This is a California roll with some kind of fish on the top. I think salmon. The last salad I bought, okra tofu salad.
I'm so excited to try that.
Okra, you wouldn't think is Japanese if you're just not Japanese, but they have a lot of okra. And sometimes you eat the okra with okaka, which is a fish flakes, soy sauce, and that's it. And then, a lot of times tofu. So this, I'm gonna end my meal with this. I'm gonna save all that for Judy though. Kira's my little experimenter. She will try anything. When she was little, what'd you eat when you were little?
I ate nothing.
She ate bugs.
Yeah, you're throwing sand on the ground.
Oh yeah, that's good. But it needs soy sauce. Want to hold it?
No.
How do you like it? Want some soy sauce on it?
Yeah, it has no flavor.
It has no flavor? I know. I put the gyoza sauce on it. It'll
Yummy.
tofu soaks up the sauce. Let's see how it is with that. Now I'll try it. It's just a harder tofu. That's unusual. Normally, when you eat okra with tofu, it's the soft kind.
That's good.
Unless you're gonna cook the tofu, typically in Japan, it's the silky smooth one. Almost like a pudding, like a custard pudding. Yeah, it's raining. It's starting to rain. We're in Vancouver, BC, which is in British Columbia, which is neighbors with Washington State, where we live in the Seattle area. So the weather is very similar. I think my favorite foods I ate today, this and the karaage. Hey, both of you, take a big bite of pan. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner.
Oh,